how important are music videos as a Christian music artist, or music artist in general, but this is aimed at Christian music artists. I'm going to take you along on a little journey behind the scenes of my latest music video. And I had a lot of people involved in it, so there was like the friction of trying to work with people's schedules and work around this and all the fun stuff. But it was well worth it for me. But is it worth it for you? Well, let's get into that. I'll answer that question. We needed at least 30 people involved as extras in this music video, but it's the day of and people are sick and canceling and it's not looking good. After all of our hard work creating the song, booking the venue, renting the gear, things are really starting to look dim. This might seem like a really simple yes or no, but I actually struggled with this for a long time, and I've been releasing music for years at this point, 15 years. I've made music videos for songs, I've made just lyric videos for songs. No matter what I do, I always create a lyric video, whether I release a music video with the song or not. And sometimes I release it first or after, it doesn't matter. But it's nice to have those two options. There's a reason for that, and honestly the main reason is most people, when they're making like playlists and stuff like that on YouTube, they'll probably be more likely to add a lyric video. And the reason is a lot of music videos have like cut scenes where the music will stop and there's like an acting scene, and that just confuses people that are listening in their headphones. Anyway, moving on. At the end of this video, I will show you what our music video looked like. I'll show you some clips of it, whether you think it was worth it or not. So as a Christian creative myself, I absolutely love shooting music videos, doing content, even like this. Like it's just built in me. I really enjoy it. I love the editing process and just seeing your work come to life and other people can enjoy it. I get that fulfillment with lyric videos, short form content, long form YouTube videos, and music videos. Music videos are really special because you can tell a story, if you really want to, around the lyrics of the song. But it's not always necessary. And let me revisit this. But for now, it's not always necessary. The hard part of this video that I shot was rounding up all the people. All right, like on top of the rentals, and I had to like rent lights, and I already own my own camera gear and everything, and my beautiful wife Kayla right here shot the music video, and then I shot some crowd scenes so she could be in it as well. My daughter's singing in this music video. I have her added on as a feature in the song. My son's playing acoustic guitar. So this was a really special video for me, and I wanted my whole family in it because of nepotism.
I hired my nephew.
You are going to learn to be more professional, Luke!
Anyway, but honestly, the hardest part about this video was making sure everybody showed up when they said they were going to.
We had some more people cancel, so.
Now, as a Christian music artist, I'm usually shooting videos by myself in the studio here. Maybe it's, well, I did a music video on my main channel of me sitting or biking through a town, a village nearby, and my son was actually the videographer. My wife was driving the truck, and he was videoing me following the truck. And it was just like a one-shot kind of thing.
I don't know how many laws we're breaking right now. Hopefully not a pretty ticket, too. Matt's riding a bike.
We've done stuff like that. We've done whole band shots in a field with a sweaty, hot day. We've done like actual full theatrical kind of style of storylines, and so we've done it all. But this was the first music video that we had a crowd. We had about 30 people involved, and this song is more along like the worship side of music. But I had about 45 people that I had booked for this, and we lost 15 like the day of the shoot. Like people were sick, and I understand people are busy too, like in life it sucks sometimes. So no hard feelings, guys, if you're watching this. I lost about 15 people, so dealing with the schedules and the juggling and the rentals and all that stuff was probably the hardest part about this. So why do all the work when sometimes you're only getting a few hundred views to, a few thousand views organically? And I look at it this way. It's intellectual property that I will own forever, that will work for me. Like, people want to see humans again, okay? Like, they're sick of AI, they're sick of the fake. If you're a real human and they can visualize you singing the song or the storyline that you came up with, the art that you built around it, I think that's a really powerful thing, especially in today's climate with AI. So another thing on top of that though is Music videos are great promotion tools for promoters, churches, pastors. Like if you're trying to book a tour, it's fantastic for stuff like that, just to have that like professional feel. And I'm not talking about like big budget stuff either. Like you can shoot a good music video on your phone if you know what you're doing. Don't just set it up and do something lame. Like be yourself, be authentic, but be creative. God made us to be creative humans, and I've said this in past videos. Christians should be at the forefront of creativity. It's like literally Christians were the first people to invent a lot of like the greatest like things, right? Like we owned art. It's ours. Let's take it back. Let's make great stuff. And if you want to make really great stuff, in the link in the description, actually, I have a free checklist for you Christian music artists that are on this channel watching. It's a checklist to go through to make sure you're avoiding the pitfalls. I know this from experience. I actually made a lot of these pitfalls. So I actually made a checklist for you for free to go through before you release your next song. Make sure you're just avoiding this junk. Also, I will throw it out there, and I don't like to do this too often, but I'm a music producer myself. And if you want to take your music to the next level and just be radio ready sounding, maybe we can work together. Sometimes not everyone's a good fit, but I'd love to hear about your project and see if we can work together. That wasn't in my notes, but there, shameless plug right there. Here's the main thing about music videos. Don't blow your budget on a music video, okay? You can spend like $10,000 as an indie artist on making a crazy good video that will get 100 views. Please don't do that. You can literally learn how to do a lot of this stuff, or hire a friend that has a great camera. Just have some fun with it, guys. Like, have some fun. Don't be too amateur, but don't hold yourself to a too high of a standard as well, especially in the beginning. As you progress on and you're getting thousands of views, or you're ready to put budget behind the music video to get tens or 20s or hundreds of thousands of views, that's when you step up your game a bit and go for the more professional people that know what they're doing. Guys like me that can shoot your music video for you. That's another shameless plug. Anyway, and actually talking about running ads and stuff like that, I can make a separate video about this too, because I do on some of my releases. Some of them I don't. But there's a right way and a wrong way to run ads on YouTube. Just don't run ads to anybody. Like, you don't want like the skippable ads. People only watch 5 seconds and it counts as a view, and you might get 1 million views on your video, but they only seen 5 seconds of it. You want in-stream ads on YouTube. That's nerdy stuff. You can look up on YouTube how that's done. There's other people that can do that, explain that better than I can. But if you really want to hear that video, I can make a video like that. Put it in the comments below or something like that. So, should you shoot a music video for your song? If you checked all the boxes for what I just said and you think you can go through these things, you want to own the intellectual property, you want to book some tours, you want to, step out and be creative, or you want to tell a story around the song, absolutely. I think you should. It's probably one of the better things you can do with a small budget, or even shooting it yourself. It's probably one of the best uses of your money, honestly. And like I said earlier, put a lyric video out as well, maybe even a visualizer. It's nice to have like 2 or 3 videos surrounding the song. A visualizer would just be like you sitting in a room with a microphone singing the song, lip syncing. Also, don't be afraid to do acoustic versions of the song. Re-release the song with another feature on it that opens up a whole opportunity of other things. And there's a lot of stuff that you guys could do. I think music videos are coming back big time, and they're starting to be seen on Spotify now too. So that's a big plus for us as Christian music artists. People are visual. People don't want to see AI artists. Some people do, but they're psychopaths. Just kidding. But if you want to learn more about the Christian music industry, becoming an artist yourself, creatives in general, even if you're into video, YouTube, stuff like that, this channel's for you. This is a brand new channel. And like I said, I have another main channel that is a lot bigger than this one, and it's focused on my music. Okay, it used to be like a hodgepodge, and I used to have these videos on there too, but I was confusing the algorithm. Maybe that's another video I should talk about someday. Anyway, comment below if you have any questions at all, guys. Let me know, are you making a music video? And if you are, comment below and I'd love to go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. This is like I said, new channel. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless, guys.